In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the confirmation of sent messages on a separate page in your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL Mail and select the settings button up in the top right. And then you want to go down and select more settings. On the left panel now, select where it says writing email. Where it says send confirmation page, confirm send messages on a separate page, toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.